Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. And in this month we will see the lecture series of the various types of indicators used in the flight airplane to find out the something altitude or like that. In this lecture series we will see the airspeed indicator. It means essentially used to measure the speed of the aircraft, how fast we are going, like this. These indicators are color coded as Pitot. This indicator is used to mechanism of a pressure, a variation of pressure. It uses two types, pitot and static. One is pitot tube and another one is static tube. That will see the upcoming slides. And we have the types of airspeeds, indicated airspeeds. It means the reading of air without any consideration of errors or something. Truly it's what is speed, it means indicated airspeed. And another one is true airspeed. It calibrated by variations of corrections of altitude and eliminate the errors. And ground speed, the aircraft actual speed over the ground, or the true airspeed adjust for wind resistance factors here with. So here we can see in the diagram the true airspeed and with static port, and here is a diagram which is used to calculate the pressure variation with pitot and static tube. So here we can fix the dial, and inside the dial this mechanism is working. So now we will see the working process. It measures the airspeed measures of differentiation of pressure between the pitot and static and dynamic, simply stated as the static pressure is captured through the static port, which is on the aircraft located on the sides of fuselage skin. The location is chosen to and the air ram. Here we can see the pitot tubes and static port on the aircraft is located. The ram air can also be termed as a total pressure. So the ram air pressure and the static port pressure will get calculated and shows its indications. So here is the static source of a airspeed indicator. So the conservation of energy status that total pressure must be remains the same. So the dimensional change is measured by a shaft. So on the here this element also has some errors, like during rainy season or when it gets cold, when aircraft entered into the cold places, it gets icing. So static port blockages because of debris or insects or blocking by ices